it's exciting. You can't let me hold your backs. I don't care what's inside it.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I last uploaded, and that's because I was thinking about what I should do for my next video. I've been wanting to do this for like a long time now. So basically I wanted to set myself up for another challenge and do a Pinterest inspired room makeover on a budget of $400. So let's move on to my laptop to see what my inspiration was. Alright, here is my Pinterest board and we're gonna move on to the interior design page. So from here I have different sections and I set up a section for my bedroom inspiration. Let's go there. So basically for my bedroom makeover, I really wanted to go like minimalist and white because I feel like that matches my aesthetic the best, and it's very easy to redo your room with a budget because like it's minimal, so you don't need that much. If we keep scrolling, you guys can see the general overview of what I want my room to look like. I wanted to include like a floor bed. I just thought that was a little bit cooler and different, more cozier. The way I wanted to incorporate a table and an area for me to have my study and like editing spot was kind of difficult considering the space in my room. A lot of these photos have circle tables in them. Overall, just a lot of plants, white furniture, white bedding. I'm back at home because we are gonna start cleaning up. Unfortunately, the sun is setting right now, so it's like the timing is kind of off, but I want to finish this today before my week gets busy. So I'll show you guys a before. Here's an overview. Bunch of junk right here. Nightstand. My bed is messy. My corner for reselling, which that's a sneak peek for you guys. And there's like miscellaneous stuff. Plants. Desk is in the middle. And then on the ground I have my makeup, my mirror right here. And I really need to get started on cleaning. I am literally so tired right now, so I'm drinking Celsius at like 8 p.m. Okay, so I finished clearing out my entire room besides the bed. I need to take the bed frame apart and set up my it's like a floor bed that I'm going for, as you guys saw in all the inspiration photos. It's a very bold choice for me. Let's get this. We also went to IKEA to pick up a couple of lamps, which I wanted a floor lamp and the mushroom lamp. The floor lamp that I bought is very like vibey, which is what I like. When I turn it on, it just like changes like the mood of the room and makes it feel more cozy, and I just love it so much. It was very inexpensive. I went on Facebook Marketplace and I was scrolling for like probably the whole day looking for stuff I wanted, and I saved it all in a folder. I picked out stuff that I want, and you guys will see me go pick up my items. These are the white chairs right here with silver legs. It's not bad. It's so scary in here. I finished up at the recycled furniture store. That guy was really nice. So I picked up my table and my chair from there, which is in pretty good condition for 90 bucks. And now I'm gonna head over to pick up my mirror. It's literally in good condition besides the one crack right here, but not bad. And I need to put it in this car, which I'm struggling. Hey. Oh no. That was so hard to put it inside my car. This mirror is huge. Almost done for the day. Okay, I'm gonna buy this doorknob because I can't live in my own house without getting robbed from my sister. There is a day's worth of furniture shopping and digging. So I'm finally home and I need to get this all inside, and I'm super tired right now, but I have to finish this all today. I have a couple of furniture pieces I need to build, so we're gonna do that first and then try to figure out what position we want our bed. Guys, we have a bit of a problem because we're missing two light bulbs, one for this and one for that right there. I'm gonna go buy it tomorrow. Okay, I went to dumpster dive at Walmart and I found these, so I'm gonna try these out as my platform for my bed. Okay, so I bought these giant frames from Walmart because I wanted to make a custom artwork painting set for the corner in my room, but I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet, so let's just turn this around first and see how it's gonna look. 오늘도 내 방을 쭉 둘러보곤 한숨을 쉬어 집에 널브러져 있는 옷들은 숨을 턱턱턱 막히게 해 주방에 있었던 What's the password? Welcome. Come on in. So you can see. Alright, you guys see the whole new setup I have here in my room. We're gonna go through everything one by one and show you around in my wonderful room that I designed. To your left or your right, you have this fluffy rug right here my mom bought for me from Costco. And then we have this lovely mirror right here, which I bought from Facebook Marketplace for 90 bucks, which is a steal from 180, but it has a crack up here. Come here, let's see the camera. Next to the mirror, we have this lovely stand from IKEA, and then my planted baby number one, bamboo, and this mushroom lamp It turns on like this.
Wow!
Come over here. In this corner right here, we have my hats. I'm a really big hat person. So this is the color scheme. Very blue, cool tone green. Right here, I bought another plant baby to add to the collection. This is a Monstera. Hopefully it won't die. And if we move over to this side, we have a mirror from my previous bedroom design as well. And here, in this corner, my favorite spot is my sleeping corner. If you look at the bottom, come here, come here. This? I went dumpster diving at the back of Walmart. So if it's illegal in your state, go do that too.
Illegal?
Oh, if it's illegal. And if we move on over here, we have our cubicle shelf. So I got mine from Walmart. It was only like 30 bucks, which is not bad. So if you come here, let's show the individual ones. Here, I want to replace it with more nicer perfumes, my Bible and books. Here, I'm gonna put a Marshall speaker right here, but miscellaneous. Here, some statue that mysteriously appeared in my room. If we move up, we have some vine plant, which is easy to take care of. I only water it like twice every month, and it's still alive and healthy and growing like this. I'm very proud of this corner. You know what this corner is? Yes, you do. It's obvious. It's a desk. I got this table from the furniture store from Facebook Marketplace for 60 bucks, I'm gonna say. Right here, the plastic chair is $30, and I have my Ryan pillow, which I love so much, that I got from Korea.
What are you doing?
Alright, we have my lamp from my previous room design. Plant baby number 4 right here. And if you zoom in, my favorite piece of the entire room. But yeah, this is how my room looks right now during the day. That is how we made over our room. I really love how everything turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed the room makeover challenge. I have another big project that is coming up for interior designing. Thank you for watching today's video, and like this video, subscribe, blah 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 blah. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.